Welcome to another video here at Home Health Success Academy. And in this video topic right here, we're just going to be able to talk about the importance of video marketing. Now, a lot of agencies, unfortunately, and I will almost I'm not going to say definite numbers, but guaranteed above 90%, about 90% of agencies do not take advantage of video marketing. And we've been pushing for video marketing for such a long time now, and been pushing how and explaining why this is possibly one of the most important things, one of the most important things that you guys should have in your arsenal of strategies and tactics for your company. So let me go ahead and explain to you basic, simple things. The fact that you're watching this particular video right now shows the power of marketing, right? You probably found out about our company through either YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn videos, where we gave you guys tutorials to be able to kind of show you guys how to be able to increase your referrals, increase more marketing for your company. So at the very same time as we also employ the same thing for our agencies for home care and home health. So a great example is that we created videos, right? Explainer videos talking about, for example, how our admission process goes, how, our nurses provide services to patients, how therapy can be something great for patients, how, like OT or PT, how, we can send, for example, home care aides at the comfort of their home, how we have all the different types of programs that we create. So we make so many different videos talking about those different services that we're offering. Now, the way it works typically is, let's say, for example, we marketed to somebody. We went in, did a cold walk-in, try to meet with them. Maybe they're a little bit too busy, or maybe we did a great presentation. But we don't use the videos during that live presentation. We want to have that one-on-one talk. But when we do follow-ups, we'll send them a video pretty much for them to be able to view. So how do we use videos for follow-up? Well, we'll send a video every email. We're not going to give them all the links to all the videos because we have to understand that people are busy themselves. So we're going to give short burst, videos to them. We'll send it to them by email. Okay. And that allows them to be able to consume things. And at the very same time as we are able to know, through our emails that they watched the video. I'll give you guys a quick example. We've been doing this for so long that all of a sudden the COVID-19 hit, where we were not able to go into facilities. Marketers were prevented from going into facilities. Well, guess what? We're still able to do our presentations, our follow-ups, because we have video presentations that are ready for them. So just in emails alone, it pretty much works well already. But the way we structure a lot of our marketing for our emails is, once we get a contact's email address, we automatically put it in what we call an email campaign, where once I enter this potential referral source's email into that particular campaign, so we have campaigns, for example, that are just meant for doctors, campaigns meant for social workers for hospitals, campaigns meant just for social workers or discharge plans for nursing homes. And the reason for that is on the emails, they're structured, the copy in there is structured for that particular person on what they need. And that's where you need to be able to have is to, when we start talking about, you have to have a separate presentation strategy depending on the type of person that you're talking to. And it's not just the basic same stuff of like, we offer these services, that services, you should use us. We want to tailor our presentations to that. So even though because of COVID, we're not able to go in, we were still able to do some explaining to them. But then we take the videos to a next different level. A good example is this. In their emails, for example, what happens is they click a link, they go to the video on our website, they go to our website, they can watch the video there. We don't send them to YouTube, we send them to our website. And in that website, we enter what they call pixels or Facebook pixels. So then most people nowadays have Facebook. But because we activated what they call a Facebook pixel, when they go into Facebook to do their normal routines, see what's going on with the family, with relatives and friends, all of a sudden we can tell Facebook, hey, if somebody triggers the pixel, we want you to show them our advertising. So now they're seeing our advertising about our company in their feeds, right? It's about creating contacts and contexts. So by doing that, we're touching them several times. You guys probably have heard me by now several times talk about the importance of sometimes it takes between 5 to 7 touches before potentially somebody's going to want to be able to work with you, before you can finally sell to them the idea of actually maybe thinking about working with your company. So that's a good way to be able to handle it. We also use videos in regards to education. Yeah, we are educating people about our services. But at the very same time as we can create YouTube channels. So we have YouTube channels for our agencies, and we get hired by a lot of agencies to create their own YouTube channel, right? That is going to be showing up. So if somebody's searching for home care services, let's say, in the California area, depending on what city it is, we can set up that YouTube channel so that the videos are going to rank up for that. So then you become the educational person. When it comes to marketing, it's all about educational based marketing. And so with that said, they start seeing a lot of our videos. And if we are the company that gives education for free, we're not asking for services or for us to provide services to them right away. It allows them to be able to say, okay, look, they're knowledgeable. They like teaching people. Maybe these guys can actually help us, can help my mom, help my dad, right? And another thing is videos also rank higher in Google because in YouTube is owned by Google, right? And so with that said is sometimes when you're doing search in Google, it may also pop up your videos as well in YouTube if you're ranking in your area. So that's having that whole omnipresence aspect of things, okay? Now, you guys may ask, well, Michael, it's going to cost me a lot of money to be able to make these videos. It's an investment. If, let's say, for example, a video gets you a referral, is it worth paying $75, $100 to have that video made? Of course not, right? It makes sense of things. But we've had hundreds of videos that's getting us clients. The fact you're watching this video is because we created a previous video that you were searching for something, you were looking for something, some idea, you found the video, and now you're watching more of our videos. And that right there is the power of social media. But talking about how video can actually be such a great thing that you can have. Now, you can do several things to create your own videos. Number one, you can learn how to do video editing, right? But if you are like most people that I work with, right? More than likely you don't have time for that. So you might try to hire somebody, right? But how many videos are you going to hire somebody to do? So that's why a lot of companies will hire us to make explainer videos or little mini commercials for the companies. But you shouldn't just settle for just one video. Another thing that you guys can do is think about creating video podcasts, talking about the home care in your area, talking about services in your area, having these videos, having it, go on your content. Now, other than your YouTube channel, you can also use these videos to post in your Facebook page, right? Because you should be posting a minimum of 2 to 3 items every day, whether it's a video, whether it's a piece of educational content, a meme or whatsoever, or a suggestion. These are things that you guys should be doing. Taking advantage of Facebook, taking advantage of Instagram, taking advantage of YouTube, and also at the very same time as you should start posting videos in LinkedIn as well, because you'll be surprised how you're going to be able to get in touch with other people that may be needing your services or maybe wanting to refer people to you guys. So video is probably one of the most strongest things that we tell people. If you guys want us to make us videos for you, let us know. We definitely want to be able to get you guys some great content. That's the main goal right there. But think about that right now. You got in touch with me, of my team, because of a video just like this. So imagine how you can also gain more referrals by creating videos that are meant to speak to the people that you want to start providing services and and provide your, assistance, like your nursing, your home care services and such as that. So I hope this video helped you guys out. I hope that you guys start thinking about maybe having a video marketing strategy involved in your marketing. You guys have to understand, marketing is still treated nowadays like we're still in the 90s. We are in, it's 2021 by the time that this video right here has been made. And guess what, guys? You need to be able to adjust to the time as well and take advantage of what's going on right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, reach out to us. Don't forget, if you have not yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel. click the notification bell button, which reminds you of new videos that are coming out. And our goal is to try to put a lot of content out there on a weekly basis. You guys have a beautiful day. And don't forget, home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.